Happy Thursday, beautiful Thursday. That's a beautiful day here at Planet Go Communications. The boys have just called me in. There's a couple of things I just wanted to show you. That's the C9410 switch. It's now come out of, you may have seen that in yesterday's video. That's been beautifully resprayed, and there's Goldfinger there. What I want, so this is, so these are the Nexus 9000. This is is it a Nexus? No, this is NCS 5501. Look at how much care has been taken in the design of this packaging, and that's been beautifully refurbished. That will last until it gets a phone call at 3 o'clock in the morning saying, network's gone down, where's that spares gone? Oh, the one Dave Mabry at Go Communications sent. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Do we need to test it? No. You don't need to retest anything that Go Communications sends you. Anyway, two other quick things I just wanted to show you. One is we've got a VS SUP2T10G, and you will notice that's got a PFC4 daughter card. You can actually replace that for a PFC4XL daughter card, and that will turn that into an XL version. And these are always missing, so we've got a little box of these little blanks. Got the power supplies there for an ASA 5585. This was what I wanted to show you. So, okay, so you may recall I said to you, never share Meraki serial numbers over an email, especially ones that haven't been claimed on your Meraki dashboard. I've seen it before. 30 units come in and one of them has been claimed. Yeah, so, and because what's happened is the serial numbers have not been secured on the Meraki dashboard, and some bright spark has gone and accidentally claimed it on their dashboard. They may have even done a typo. It's not a perfect system, but anyway, this one here, somebody said to me, oh, Meraki switch, Dave, have they got any rack ears? And I said, no, they don't come with rack ears. And said, how are you going to mount the things? Well, as you can see, the racking bracket is integral to the faceplate. Anyway, that's been beautifully refurbished. Look at that. Anyway, lots more to come. Gotta go. See you tomorrow. Bye.